In this video, we are going to see a very popular and one of self-hosted email automation SaaS, where agency and founders or like IT companies can use this script for their own self-hosted email solution for different customers, and it comes with a SaaS. So you can see there is a script called Mailbirds. It is self-hosted email marketing and automation SaaS. So basically, in this video, we are going to see what are the main features and how you can make your infrastructure ready for your customer so that they can see a real value from this script. It comes as a compare with Mailchimp or like HubSpot, whatever the features they are going to provide. That the script has these features. So of course it comes with different variations, different demo, so that we can explore all those things. So we have a demo for this, and we can see here the Mailbirds. So in this script, you can see as a super admin, you can see your total number of users, the subscribers, and the total number of earnings happened with the subscription selling, and the campaign is created, campaign is run, campaign is delivered, and email listed is created, the database, the subscription is cancelled, template created. All things can be managed through the super admin, and super admin can see all the data. We can also see the earning data and all things, the visitors coming from a different part of that globe. So this script makes very comfortable with that agency owners to provide the SaaS subscription. And yes, of course, you can create the users of the subscribers for your plan. You can see the support, all the tickets you can resolve under it. Also, you can find some blog CMS, and you can write a blogs over there. You can have your pricing pages, and all these things can be managed through this admin portal. You have AI things is there. You can integrate with AI, and you can do different activities for yourself. So it has some AI tools, and you can see the different tokens, or for the different things you can integrate. You can integrate with ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude. You can connect with all the services, and you can manage all this thing from a single interface. Also, you can have some AI tools as well. You have RBAC, role and permissions, so you can grant the permissions as well. And now you can see different APIs. You can connect through any different REST APIs to connect over this script. We have integrations. Integrations comes with Google Auth and all Google Drive integrations. We have some real add-ons so that you can install those add-ons with this add-on updates. So you can see the campaign over there. So customer can make a campaign, so they can see the number of recipient over here, and you can see the campaign dashboard. They can see the number of recipient, open rate, click rate. All these things are the premium dashboards can be visible to the customer, and super admin can manage. You can see the email list or grouping done by the customer from the different list. Also, you can manage your templates, email templates for different activities, different business purpose wise. You can use these email campaigns for your e-commerce card, for your offers, for your CRM, and different things you can manage with this email campaigns, and customer can do whatever they want with their panel. Also, you have template categories, so that you can create the innovative templates over here, and you can do that email templates for your customer so that they can plug and play. They can easily import those templates and use for the email campaign. We have email validation over here, and you can see the groups and customers. And so it also comes with the delivery server. So there are a lot of configuration over here. You can set up your SMTP servers, sending domain, tracking domain, all things. You can see the bounced server. All these things comes with your all invoice and payment structure is there. So you can manage your plans, manage your coupons, all things. As agency founder, you can see and you can gain the benefits to sell this email subscription for the business. So we are going to see a user dashboard and how it looks like. So I can see a user, and I can click over that user, and it's verified, it is active. I can see the limits we have set for the number of quota they can use for that campaign, and the maximum list, maximum subscriber allowed, and all these things is like visible from the admin panel. And you can now log into the customer and of a subscriber you can log in. So there are different information with the dashboard. So any subscriber can see the number of list, campaign, subscriber, email, all the bounce rate, all the clicks happened through that campaign. Also you can see how many subscriber gained, how many unconfirmed, and how many blacklisted things happened with your subscriber. And you can see your top campaigns also top, and also you can see that campaign performance, delivery breakdowns, all of different analytics report is there. So you can manage your email automations with this script, and the customer can see the analytics reports that send, open rate, click rate, click through rate, and delivery rate, bounce rate, unsubscriber rate, spam reports, all these professional things. You can see a professional script or professional tools. So you can use this tool as a agency owner or as a customer. If you are thinking to use this as an end user, also you can get all the benefits to for a standalone way that you can use for yourself. You can see here the templates, and also the templates, it comes with a preset templates, so that as a user I can choose those template from import templates, and I can import all the templates. You can see the different interface templates is there. So you can make any type of templates like sales, support, like renewals you can do, and just one click you can have all the designs. Just you have to customize your text, customize your images, and that's it. You can make your campaign ready, and then you can manage your all the email campaigns from this tool. So there are a lot of things is there. You can connect with APIs, AI tools is there, so you can connect with your CRM software. So a lot of customization you can think and we can do for you. And yes, you can manage your plan, you can upgrade your plan to different plans already set from the admin panel. So it is like very much efficient. As an agency owner, you can have this SaaS script for your business, and you can be completely white level the script, and you can have your own email automation like professional agencies. Okay, that's it for this video. If you have any query, you can comment it down. We have Telegram, we have WhatsApp number over the tech content and over the description. So you can connect with us, you can have your query, we can solve for you. We are the development team in India. You can connect with us, we can build all the setup, all those things with a easily and a convenient way. So you can have all the maintenance over with this script. We can help for the developments if you want to do anything. So we will happy to connect with you. So let's connect and let's move forward with this script. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching this video. See you for the next video. Thank you.